Hey, I'm Ty.
And I'm Gwen, and these are our daughters, Michaela and Aaliyah.
Now there's Asher. And we're the Rams.
We're childhood sweethearts who have built a life filled with faith, family, and adventure.
We've been living the American dream, but realized we wanted more to life and wanted to live our dreams. We have this crazy idea to pick up our family and take a leap of faith into new adventures.
Follow us as we start our journey into RV living, business building, homeschooling, dream chasing adventures.
Like, comment, subscribe, and come
roam with the Rams.
So yesterday I did a makeshift, for now, shower rod. So this is the old shower door framing. Made it strong, painted it black, and for now we are going to use the shower curtain, like so. Paint this cabinet, paint down there, continuing to paint here, got to do that door. It's going to be a transformation. So that's what today's work is. Let's do it. So far, I got most of the painting done. This is the tile, same tile we use on the steps. Gonna do all the way up to the top. And then we are gonna also get a, what's this called? A countertop and a new sink and all that stuff. I got the painting done down there, but I do have to do the sink and the countertop, but for now I'm doing the tile. So let's get the tile done while we find the sink. That's the plan. Alright, so the bathroom is coming together. It's actually pretty funny. Yesterday I was putting these tiles on and I wasn't using the liquid nails because I thought that for sure they would stick because they're sticky tiles. And as I started this piece down here, all of those tiles fell down, landed on my head. And I was doing the time lapse, but it doesn't really show it. It was pretty funny though. I got to do this door. This door is going to be tricky because it goes and tucks into the wall. So I'm going to see how I can take that out. It's going to feel a lot better when that's done. So today we're going to finish this. Let's do it. We have plans for the sink, but for now, we are going to take this sink out, refinish it, and place it back in. We will eventually have a vessel sink with the bowl. As far as the shower curtain goes, we have created our own shower rod out of the old shower doors. We have mixed feelings about the shower doors and the curtain. We kind of like the shower doors because they just really close you off in there. However, with the shower curtain, the bathroom feels a lot more open. We're still deciding on the bathroom. It's the last and final piece of the trailer. After that, we do have little things to do. That is where we are at right now. All right, let's see if that fits in there. Oh. So some of these tiles, you think that, oh, they're all going to line up, they're all going to match up because they're all made the same, supposedly, but they don't all match up. They don't all line up like they're supposed to as far as the pattern goes, but I made it work, and if you ask me, it looks good. If you ask Gwen, she goes up there and looks for details, so that's it. Okay, here it goes. Ready? Ready? Last one.
Done. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, so this morning I am taping up these shower doors. We are going to be painting them black. It would be a lot easier if I just took the glass out, but it's not easy taking the glass out. We're gonna do it this way and see how it turns out. We decided to go with the shower doors. It keeps all the water in. You have a little bit more space and it's easier to shower the kids. So this is what we're doing now. What's up, guys? It's crunch time today because we're leaving tomorrow. And I got so many things to do. I am finishing off the last decal that I gotta remove off the exterior of the trailer. And I'm painting shower doors frames black. So I gotta get it done today. It's hot, it feels like it's 105. So far, I've got these coated one, satin black, and my dad taped them off, thanks Dad. And it's gonna look pretty good. Gotta get them installed by the end of the night because we're leaving tomorrow. It's looking good, I'll show you guys when it's done. One last problem I'm having with the outer decal on the exterior of the trailer is that some of the vinyl cracked. It got weathered and it cracked into the gel coat, into the fiberglass. It doesn't just peel off like the other stickers. These I'm having to scrape with the heat gun and scrape, coming off like a powder, and it's actually causing me to cause many scratches in the fiberglass. But I am gonna reseal it and I'm gonna paint the RV. That's the plan. I'm gonna redo it, most likely white, and I think it will fix those scratches. So at the same time, every time I do a scratch, it's painful, but I think I can fix it. So reinstalling these shower doors was a big mission, but my dad and I managed to get it done. In fact, it was such a mission I didn't even pick up the camera, but I will show you how we got them in and silicone, and we are very happy with having shower doors. The curtain was just not gonna work out. We like the fact that you're contained in the shower doors, there's no water messes, and the black turned out looking pretty good, if you ask me. So we're just about to wrap up this bathroom. We do have a little bit of finishing things to do around the whole trailer. Countertops, the sink, stuff like that, but we're just about done. And we're already traveling. So I will do those things as we go. The majority of the big things are done, and also the exterior. Gonna do some stuff with that too, like I said before. I hope you enjoyed this video. From this point on, you are going to be traveling with us to different places. And so in the next video, look forward to seeing cool places and trying to chase the cool weather. And we have done that when we go to the coast. The weather is always consistent and cool. However, when you come inland, as far as where we are now, it warms up, but we're staying cool. Right, babe? Oh, I'll get your bike out right now. Okay, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to follow us along on our adventures, and follow us on Instagram at Roam with the Rams. Stay current, everyday posts, reels, stories, things like that. So, what was that? So keep on coming and roam with the Rams. We'll see you guys later.